the south side. Ito yung Christmas decor nila dito. Ang ganda. Ayan, bungad-bungad lang. Busini na agad. Di ba? Ayan, may bulaklak pa. Congratulations. Ano siya? 700. Ang ganda ng bulaklak ito, oh. Congratulations. Yan. Ang ganda. Tingnan nga natin. Anong meron? May sapatos sila dito. Hello. Magkano ta?
Magkano?
599 lang. Mura.
May kaya silang with collar dito. Do you have with collar?
That color? No.
No.
Yeah, sorry.
Yung katulad nila?
We just have the pink one.
Hey.
Yeah. But for the shoes, we have this color.
Oh.
Yeah.
Sayang.
20%. Ikot nga doon.
Bago pa naman ito dito.
Wala, hindi pa sila kompleto.
Hindi pa. Sayang. Ang lalaki na
Ito si
yan.
may hood.
Ang lalaki.
Tara na.
Ugly.
Okay. Ito yung pang-kuwan siya. New Balance. May businis silang sapatos. Beauty, oh. Magaan lang. May busini na may sapatos silang busini, oh.
Ang sapatos ito. Maganda no?
Oo. Ang tanong magkano? Tingnan mo.
For the shoes, have this color.
20%.
20% discount.
What?
Match.
Match na.
Yeah.
Match. Kita na.
How much this one?
This one?
100.
This one is 429.
429.
Yes. This one is 429 and then extra 20% discount.
So like how much already? 300 something?
Let me check it. 429 and then 20% discount is
3 something.
343.
343.
Yeah. If
Oh.
and then if you buy 2 pair after discount and then extra 20%.
Again?
That means after discount is 343.
Yeah, and then
And then
20%. 8 by
and
2.
then also 20%.
And then how much?
That 549 can
Para
get 2
maging
pair.
Two
200
pieces.
something na lang.
Yeah, 2 pieces.
Gusto mo?
Agoy!
Want to
Nadali.
Yeah, try to
Agoy!
Yeah.
Agoy!
Agoy.
And if you can choose the other color, yeah, you we have a promotion. If I take 2 products after the discount, extra 20%.
Oh!
Yeah, that means you choose this one also have 20% discount.
Same.
Yeah, but this one is a 20% and then extra 20%.
Oh!
But
Yeah.
if another color different.
It's also okay.
Ah,
Yeah. Yeah.
Nice
The green, because we have the
I don't
promotion
like-
for the green and the red.
I don't like
yeah.
that green color.
So, wapo ba yun siya?
Mm.
Hindi to pa siya nagway.
Murang pagdagway.
Agoy.
Sige daw.
Yari na.
Murag,
We have
murag.
to see.
Ah?
Yeah, we have to see. You can try.
Yari taro na.
Sige.
Tamo. Imbis na we're looking for a jacket supposedly.
The jacket first.
We look jacket for girl.
400 beauty niya. Pwede na lang natin makuha ang 200 something kung duha ta mo palit. Ay, putay. Sorry po.
Agoy.
It's okay. No problem.
No, 200 na lang beauty. New Balance. Maganda rin yun.
Ito yan
Kani kay
lang.
dili siya hugawon dito. Dali ra limpyohon ni ni style.
Gaan pati.
Many
Yeah.
people said that is very light and
Yeah.
and
Ay,
for
hala.
here it's comfortable.
Naka.
Hala ka, hulog na ang ano.
So,
Magaan lang siya.
yeah. Comfortable ka ay siya. Sa gusto mo beauty? Hindi mo
Yeah,
rin.
this one, the cushion, the brown is very nice. Yeah, I wear this one.
Ah.
Yeah. Because I need to maybe stand all day.
Yeah.
I wear and walk maybe.
So, very
Yeah.
comfortable yan?
Yeah, it's comfortable.
Ang ganyan siya.
Sa man beauty.
Because I read this before. I read the other brand maybe
It's
around 3 or 4 hours. Then my leg is very some hurt or very
Calm.
tired. Yeah, but read this one is better.
Mm.
Yeah, around 6 or 7 hours. It also will be tired, but maybe around 6 or 7 hours. Yeah.
Because your toes can free inside. It's not that.
Okay, can fit inside.
Yeah, free.
Yeah, it can fit inside. And this one is very important for the shoes.
Support.
Yeah,
Okay.
it's okay.
Magaan lang kasi.
Magaan sa Kuwata Beauty? Ito
Dag
maayong color.
daghan na ako kwarto bitaw.
Ito maayong color. Color.
And maybe you can try the feeling and then choose the color. Yeah,
Yeah.
because if you try the feeling, it's not comfortable.
Mm.
Yeah, don't need to think about the color. Yeah,
Correct.
yeah.
Ang
What
puro-
size is you?
I think 6.5. Do you have 6.5? Because this one is already 7 because they don't have 7.5.
Oh.
Yeah, a bit bigger than my feet.
But for the sports shoe, toe tap is not good.
Also, yeah.
Yeah, some little bit inside. Yeah, it can feel
Can
the.
move.
Yeah, it can move.
If you have half, then I will try 6.5 or 7.
Okay.
Yeah. Di ba? Try lang natin ko. Ay, may
But you
problema.
you can try together.
Yeah, you can try. You try to.
Grabe gyud ka day.
What?
Ah,
Anong nangyayari?
ay, ang galing. Iba na talaga ang malaki ang bonus.
Saba.
Yan oh.
Bonus ka dyan.
Ah. Yan, pamaskuhan daw niya ako oh. Yan oh. Ay, pa-birthday pala niya sa akin.
Uy, kakuyaw.